Hi everyone, welcome back for another history lesson. So today we are going to talk about maps and models. So I know that we've been talking about directions and how to find places, and we talked about how to find a place on the map. Well, today we're going to keep talking about that, but we're going to look a little bit deeper into a map and some models we might see on a map. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to read our new lesson for history. So some of the new words that we're going to be talking about today are compass rose, symbol, and legend. So we are going to be talking about the different parts of a map. So a map has different parts. A title tells the map's main idea. The points on a compass rose show cardinal directions. So we just learned that our cardinal directions are north, south, east, and west. So the compass rose shows us those cardinal directions. A map symbol is a picture that stands for a real thing. The legend, or key, tells what the symbols on a map mean. Look at the map. The school symbol in the legend stands for the school on the map. So let's look at the map. Do we see this map here? So this is the key or the legend. This is the key or the legend. And there's a picture right here that matches this picture. This tells us that this is the library. So this is the library. This picture is right here, and it tells us that that's the playground. This picture is right here, and that tells us that that's a school. And these are the same, and those are stores. So that is what the legend tells us. It says, oh, this is on the map, and this is what it is. Okay? So I want to make sure I didn't skip anything on this page. Nope, we're going to keep going. So first, let's look at the parts of the map. So remember, we learned that the title of the map tells us the main idea. So what are we looking at? This tells us we're looking at downtown. So we're looking at a city's downtown. And then we see the compass rose. The compass rose is on our map. And remember, the compass rose tells us our cardinal directions. So it tells us north, east, south, west. So if we know that this is our cardinal rose, we could say that the library is west of the school, and the school is east of the library. We could look at this store right here and say that the library is north from the store, and that the store is south from the library. All right? And then we are going to talk about a model. So you can build a model of your community. It will look similar to your community, but the model will be a much smaller size. This is called a 3D model. So if we look at this picture right here, this is a picture of this boy's community, and he made a 3D model to show that he made a model of his community, and see how it looks very similar? So a model is not flat. It is not flat. It is 3D, like when we build a gingerbread house. And a map and a picture tell the same story as a model, but the map is flat. You can hang up a map or a picture on the wall, but you cannot hang up a model on the wall. Okay? So let's see. We want to make sure that we know that a map and a model are the same thing. They are the same thing, but a map is flat and a model is not. Okay? And that's all that we learned today for our lesson. So I'm going to come back and stop sharing my screen. Are the same, except the map is flat and a model is not, because a model is something that's 3D like a gingerbread house. And if we look at a map, it has a legend which will tell us, oh, what is that on the map? Oh, I'm going to look at the legend and it's going to tell me what it is. All right, so don't forget to go do your activity on Seesaw, and I will see you guys next time.